done this before, but
My dad was this drunk.
yes, he was.
Okay.
But normally it's Paul and Michael.
I don't know. I'm having a good time watching the stars.
Yeah, this time we're all by our lonesome self. No, don't
It's
pick
all
up.
right. I will make sure we stay on course.
Yeah, don't get too
Yeah.
fast.
Yeah, don't pick up much. What was that?
Oh, this was heat lightning.
That's heat lightning. Don't worry about the heat lightning. It'll be all right.
I'm recording the whole thing. It is so dark out here.
Just make sure we stay in the
see
water.
nothing
We're
on that
13
way.
foot, so
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
good.
Hey, I done hustle fucking coast. I'm this is the damn water. I should be good.
Right. As long as you stay in the water, we're good.
Yeah. Is the hell show like when we go in?
Right, because we're not near where we need to go in yet, baby.
This is your line.
Not yet, baby.
Dad, we are going 5 miles an hour. We're not. It's gonna be a while till we get there.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to hold off a little bit.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'll show you.
Right there. See? That's where we go in.
Alright.
See it?
Make
where
sure
we
you
go
follow.
in?
Remember, make sure to follow the line. Because remember, there was that really shallow part. Do you remember?
All right, we're passing the condo.
No!
Motherfuckers can see us. Run off on.
Craig, they can see your red and green light.
They definitely see that motherfucker there.
Craig, the red and green light is on for a reason. They stay on the right, on the green side, not on the red side.
Oh my gosh, what's that light
Oh,
flashing?
hell. What the hell is that?
What?
There's a flashlight.
Yeah, a big flashlight.
Where that green light blinking, they got a flashlight pointing out to us. They were out here too late.
That's the lighthouse.
No, it ain't. The thing's moving, Mom.
Where?
On the coast.
I don't see a flashlight.
It's just a green
It's
light.
not. It's just a green light now.
There was a
blinking.
flashlight at first.
That's probably telling you stay away. Like this is, maybe that's Bimini Cove.
Yeah, right. That's crazy as hell.
It's crazy.
I'm so excited for Dad to wake up and finally watch those videos.
All right, you gotta cut out a little.
Huh?
You gotta cut out a little. Follow your line, babe. Follow the navigation. You need me to drive?
Nope.
Okay. I can if you need me to. See how it's getting shallow?
Don't get too far out.
You gotta follow the line. Just stay on course with the lines that we've made. Although at the speed we're
What
going,
y'all think about us being out here at night? Can't see shit.
It's a little scary.
A little scary?
Yeah.
I ain't
not even
scared.
Well, I'm not
You
sure.
fucking go.
Craig,
Huh?
let me drive.
I got it, baby.
You're in 4 foot of water.
Or what?
Yeah.
Dang it.
So you need to go out.
Well, no, there's buoy. No.
No, you need to go
No,
out.
Dad, don't go in. Don't go in.
You need to go out,
There's a
baby.
buoys on the outside of you right now. Mom, can you please
Y'all
drive?
shine a light out in front.
Craig, please go out some.
Man, where we was at?
Craig, look at your line, babe. It only makes sense if the ocean is that way, it's going to get deeper that
Well,
way.
yeah, I know that. I won't hit the damn buoy either.
Well, the buoys should have lights on them.
They should. Don't mean they do. Why you go slow?
Yeah.
Where you at? Okay, go slow.
Well, if you stay on your course, then you will be fine.
The light stars out? Yeah.
Oh my God, we didn't talk about that though.
I'm just now looking at it.
Steer the boat.
Ten hours later.
We're at Green Creek.
Yeah, well, I don't check us going in.
Huh?
Or is that us there?
That's us, baby.
Okay.
That's where we need to go in.
What was that?
What?
It was just like a fish skipping across the water. It wasn't a flying fish.
Probably just so chatty.
Aren't you?
I'm so thirsty. We didn't grab our Dr. Peppers.
Yeah.
There were so many
You
stones.
don't have any more? They only gave you
You
one?
recording?
That's the
Yeah.
thing. Them boys drank all of them. She got you like 3. Craig,
Nope, no.
I didn't know I love that. get to